Chaos RC. Alright, I've got the Rival MT10 out today. This is the monster truck that everyone, in my opinion, should own. 3S, absolute tough as nails, little beast. I get asked, what should I buy for my first RC? Well, this is it here. This, even if it's not your first RC, you just have one. They're just so awesome. I'll get it out there and have a bash. Yeah. Alright, get the Rival out. As I said in the intro, this is just such a wicked little monster truck that everyone should have, I reckon. Ooh. Handle's awesome. Oh. So I just got done running 6S's and I forget the power delivery is a little bit different on this. But yeah, this is just so much fun. Oh. Tough little car for sure. I've said this so many times, the suspension on this is just so dialed in, so nice. Tough as nails. That fucking can threw me off my off course. Oh. Oh, so much power. It's just a wild little animal. Right, I will get one more backflip in and I'll leave it there. And maybe another backflip. Yeah, can't help myself. Alright, best 3S monster truck out there in my opinion. I highly recommend it, definitely get one. Thanks for watching.